Okay, what we did was we took the water line loose in the back of the refrigerator, and we're not getting water. So we looked around to find out where the water turns on. Normally it's either in the back of the refrigerator or underneath the sink for underneath your kitchen sink. And on this one, it's underneath the kitchen sink. And if you can, I don't know if I can get my phone over there to show you, but the water line right here, where it ties in, is disconnected and capped off. So evidently that water line has a leak in the water line supplying the refrigerator or something. There's a reason why they've capped it off and disconnected it. This house is unoccupied, so at this time I'm not going to hook it up and then flood the people below them. But anyway, that's the problem. And this is Sidney Preston with Preston's Air Conditioning and Appliances, and we thank you for viewing our video. Thank you.